first thing we need is shelter. And what better shelter is a bunch of sticks. I'm gonna collect a bunch of sticks and then put a little tent. Okay. Get all the shelter, get all the sticks that we need. And you have to tie this together. Oh, perfect time. Bundle. Alright. Zoom into this, okay? Fuck. I broke it. First thing we need is fire. So I'm gonna try to make fire out of this. This is gonna take a long time. I know this is going to work. Because I've seen this in almost every survival show. Second of all, we need food. Look what I found! The berry fruticus, a rare species of food. We're gonna try to lure the squirrels and hopefully kill them. Find a good weapon to kill the squirrel. Conveniently, I have found this fucking big ass stick. We're going to kill the squirrel with this stick, alright? Trying to find some squirrels. Pigeons can also be fine. Squirrels, pigeons. Oh, shit. Cameraman, look at, okay, this fucking squirrel right here. Alright, today, we're going to lure it, okay? Here, no, don't you fucking climb that tree. Alright, I have berries. These berries, man. See this squirrel? The squirrel's trying to eat it. Alright, we're getting squirrel meat, okay? So this is an ancient spearing method from the Indians. I'm gonna try to put this stick with pinpoint accuracy at the squirrel and hopefully kill it. Alright. First of all, I need to lure the squirrel once again. Here, little squirrel. Over here. Come here. Oh, fuck. Let's skip the food part. We have to make sure if the plants are poisonous or not. Alright. This is the yellow icus species that I have made up. I'm going to attempt to eat it. Wow, it's not that bad actually. Oh my god. Can you call 411 please? Oh my. I need this. If all else fails, then use your electronic compass. All right, you see this? This is my compass right here. You're gonna try to find civilization. Go back home. You know what? Fuck this. I'm gonna go fucking Pizza Hut. This concludes our show of survival against nature. I'm going to Pizza Hut.